the day we are playing the bass cooker. This is the song when decaf just won't do it. Decaf always does it, but this is like decaf times a million. Like, Canada Forge, if you can make a song with like if you can make a decaf that is better than this. Like, I'm saying your decaf is not. I'm not saying your decaf is bad, but this is like the signal output will blow the TV speakers at 50% volume. I can't. This is a woofer cooker, so I'm using it on the Bose 50%. Tested it already. Make sure no woofers are gonna be cooked in this episode. No woofers will be cooked. Yay! What the heck was that, Dolly? Yay! Oh yeah, the tree likes to just go sometimes. Hey, it's not as long as we're getting some stuff to like. Hear that? Let's go to the bass corner. This is the corner where all the bass gets. Holy! Alright, I'm deaf. If this is what you hear in the car, I'm loving it. Like, even these are pushing out little signals. Oh, wow. Wow. That was probably the lowest I've heard this bass play. Wait, I want to see if this is a rattle spot. This is normally, sometimes it will just go. This is like, this is flexing. Alright. Let's see if we can hear it from in here. Here's the thing I like about the Bose. Right when you walk out here, you hear it. The fluted port does so amazing with keeping it in a contained spot. Alright, if the room's big, it covers the whole room. If the room's like this, covers this room. It's amazing. Holy crap, I turned it off. Now, I'm going to be doing another song by this guy. It's just a little bit higher. Here. It's going to be a little bit higher. A little bit more cooker. This is something that, like, I didn't know speaker. I remember my first video. I was like, oh. See, it's very high. Oh, that's what that rattle was. The stupid fake gun. Wait for the lows. See, our car, I usually handle lows. That's very high, and I thought that was low. Am I an idiot? I think I am. Alright, here's where the low part comes in. This is the woofer cooker part. These I will be doing excursion on. Oh no! Stupid filter! Oh no, the filter on the Bose. My Bose says the filter doesn't let it pass 20 hertz. So I couldn't do that. It doesn't have a filter. It has a filter. Oh. Look at that photo though. No, I'm just gonna cut a hole in the TV. No, guys. If I had that car in real life, oh, Jesus. What the heck? Oh yeah. Yes, this is hitting the line. Yes. I'm gonna have some enjoying time with this song.